Hello, welcome back to Academy for Tech. In this today's section, we'll be discussing about Python while loop. So moving forward, Python while loop. So in this while loop, we have a text expression, and the text expression is being checked first, and the body of the loop is ended only if the text expression is valid true. So after one iteration, text expression is checked again and continue until the evaluation false. So once the evaluation false, it will be going to the exit loop. So we also have to note that inside the syntax, when we have to use while and then the text expression, we can have text expression as any of the condition operation. So we have a body for the while loop, and we should consider the indentation. We should give a 3 space to mention the body inside the while loop. So let's have a look at the program. In this program, we have a while loop. So I'm using this while loop to add natural numbers. I'm using this variable called n to input some data. Some data in the sense I'm trying to ask the user to enter some numbers. So once the user is entering the number, it will be converted to the integer and stored in a variable called n. And here we have a variable called sum, and initialize it with 0. So sum will be stored with 0. So here I have I equal to 1. So I'm using this I to use inside the while loop for incrementation purpose. So here we have a condition I less than or equal to n. So if I be equal to n plus 1, this condition become wrong. So once this condition become false, the while loop will be exiting and printing the sum. So let's have a look at the output. In the output, I'm entering an integer 5. So I'm getting the sum is 15. So it is continuously adding up. So moving forward with the while loop with else statement. So here, similar to the for loop, we have else statement. So we have a else part executed if the condition of the while loop valid false. So you can see here. And while loop can also be terminated using a break statement. So for example, if you have a break statement inside a body of the while loop, the else statement can be skipped. Let's have a look at the program. So in this program, I'm explaining how to use of while loop with else statement. So we have a while loop, it'll be iterating 3 times. So in this, we have defined 0 to 0, 1, 2. So it's be running it 3 times, and it'll be printing inside loop, and after finishing the body, it'll be entering to the else statement and printing the body. So here we can break the while loop using the break statement also. So let's have a look at the output. So you can see it's printing inside the loop, and finally we have inside else. So it shows that it be exiting from the while loop. So if I'm using the break statement, so I'm commenting out the break statement and running the program again. So you can see that once the program reaching the inside the loop, it will be breaking, and it is not going inside the else statement. The program completes here. So I hope you have a better understanding about while loop in this today's section. Have a great day ahead. See you for the next section.